Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix this page isn't available at the moment. So guys, if you are facing this problem in your Instagram, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, first of all go back to your home screen and here I will give you some possible solutions to fix this problem. So guys, first of all make it sure that your internet connection is working properly if you're facing this problem. So guys, make sure that your internet connection is working, and after this make it sure that the page which you are trying right now is not broken or it is not deleted from the other hand. So guys, if the page or the post is deleted from the other side or other hand, you will not be able to open it in your Instagram. So guys, after verifying it, go for the other solution. If it doesn't work, that is you will have to open your settings, and from here you will have to make it sure that there is no connected VPN in your device. So guys, open your settings and tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management. So guys, from here make it sure that there is no connected VPN in your device, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this go for the other solution. If it doesn't work, that is you will have to reset network settings in your device. So for that, open your settings again and tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and again tap on reset, and from here tap on reset network settings. So guys, reset your network settings, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, if you're still facing this problem, then go for the other solution. That is you will have to offload your Instagram app, and then you will have to install the updated version app in your device. So guys, for that you will have to open up your settings again, and again open your general section, and from here scroll it below and tap on iPhone storage. So guys, wait for seconds from here and scroll it below and open your Instagram from here and offload the Instagram app from here. So guys, offload the app and reinstall the updated version of Instagram in your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, if you are still facing this problem, then you will have to contact Instagram support for more information and help. So guys, hopefully after all these solutions your problem will be fixed. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.